Guys, wala na kayo masyadong problemahin sa kuryente kasi included na po ang 10 solar panels po or yung solar panels na installed dito sa house and lot na to. So kasama na po siya dito sa price ng house and lot na to. So tara! Good day everyone. No, we have another house and lot for sale guys inside New Valley Estates po, and the minute lang po ito if you're from Soledad Mall. So this house and lot is 135 square meter lot area. So tara i-check po natin. So upon entering to this house and lot, no, sasalubong sa atin on my left side is ang built-in cabinet na to, which is storage siya ng mga sapatos mo, and pwede rin to yung pinaka-sanitation area mo. And on my left side guys, we have another room which you can build, no, your future office, future guest room, and if you have an elderly na kasama sa bahay, pwede rin po siya. And this spot po na nilalakaran ko is already their living room. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, this area po, we have our clients na nakapak na po yung mga gamit po nila kasi they're now migrating to Makati po. And check naman natin yung pinaka-dining area nila, no? So this is their dining area, and dito meron tayong storage or table na pwede natin paglagyan. We have a long table there. And dito naman sa right side ko guys, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung pinaka-toilet and bath nila dito sa first floor, and upon entering, we have a complete fixtures na. We have a toilet, we have a shower area, we have a lavatory, and we also have a bathtub. So maganda po talaga siya. Ibig sabihin guys, naka-built-in na po siya. Kasama na po siya kapag binili po itong property na to. So guys, tingnan naman natin itong main kitchen nila, no, which is makikita natin as of now is yung mga gamit nila na nakapack kasi they're now migrating nga, no. So this is their main kitchen, and dito naman sa labas guys is yung dirty kitchen nila. So upon entering dito sa dirty kitchen guys, sasalubong sa atin is yung syempre yung kitchen po nila, no. And we have a connecting po ito dun sa service area nila, which is ito, extension area na po. So dito sa area na to guys, dito pinaka yung service area nila, yung wash area nila, and they have an extension or a lanai. Pwede for gathering if gusto nyo ng malaking space. This is open for expansion pa rin po, no. And we have a direct access po if you're from lanai and going to living area. We have a sliding door din dyan. So ayun, i-check naman natin yung sa pinakataas niya. Tara! So dito naman sa ating second floor, no, we have 3 bedrooms po. So it consists of regular rooms, and meron po tayong 1 master's bedroom po dito, and we have another toilet and bath. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo ang ating first bedroom. So upon entering guys, sasalubong sa atin itong built-in cabinets po, which is kasama na po siya kapag binili natin itong property na to, no. And dito po yung magiging pinaka bedroom area po natin or bed area po natin. So ito siya. And dito naman tayo guys sa ating walkway po, which ito po yung pinaka naka-glass panel po yung pinaka natin dito, terrace po natin. So dito naman guys, yung pinaka kids room po natin. So tara, check natin. So dito yung kids room natin, and mapansin nyo dito yung area niya ng bed, and nandito yung pinaka area or built-in cabinets po ng kasama na po siya dito kapag in-avail po natin itong property na to. So this property guys, wala na kayo masyadong problemahin sa kuryente kasi included na po ang 10 solar panels po or yung solar panels na installed dito sa house and lot na to. So kasama na po siya dito sa price ng house and lot na to. So tara, i-check natin yung master's bedroom. So ito yung pinaka master's bedroom po, no. So ito yung size ng kama nila, and meron na rin pong kasama na built-in cabinets po which you can store or yung mga gamit nyo po, and dito pwede nyo ilagay yung pinaka-office area nyo po. So dito naman guys sa walkway, after a master's bedroom on the right side po, dito yung pinaka-second toilet and bath natin. Pero guys, comparing to the toilet and bath dun sa baba po sa first floor is wala po itong bathtub. Kahit walang bathtub dito sa taas guys, sa second toilet and bath nila, they have a complete fixtures naman din. Meron tayong toilet, may lavatory, and we also have a shower area po. And ang ganda ng shower area nila guys, no, hindi magtatalsik since enclosed po talaga and made with glass po talaga yung pinaka shower area nila. So ayun lang guys. So hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you're interested sa mga ganitong klaseng property or if you're a property owner na gusto mong ibenta din yung house and lot mo or parentahan mo, please send us a message. This is Pao of Lux Properties. Hope to see you soon.